Hello everyone. I just wanted to have a quick discussion with you. I had a discussion mock session. You know that I have mock question discussion session with every one of you at the end of our training session, and this person she did my drafted mock questions, these ones, and I drafted them to help you to evaluate yourself before you write your examinations or use for and evaluation for different topics. uh, what this person did, that she went over to public to some website, the CAMS examination topic or exam topics or camsexam.com, and she did these questions, the ones that I provided, and these questions are similarly available on these websites as well. And she was confused, like when you gonna read these discussions on this examination topic, it's gonna not gonna help you, it's gonna confuse you more, because every Tom, Dick and Harry, we don't know how their preparation level is, they're guessing it, and majority of those are wrong. Why do you think ACAMS or other examiners have not taken these website down? Because they think that I think that they think that answers are wrong, and that's why they don't care that whoever consult them. So you have to be sure. This person, she had a last session with me, and she was very confused. Remember, in the first session we discussed that you're not supposed to discuss the topics that we are discussing with any person outside of your batch. This way you will have the clear understanding. If you're only discussing with the persons in your batch, these persons, these individuals from different countries, they are all of you on the same batch, you can discuss the exactly the way I will discuss, so that you have the clear understanding of the how ACAMS expect you to understand certain topics. The second thing was, you are not supposed to do these questions over the internet or any Facebook group or WhatsApp group or Telegram group or in LinkedIn group, to ask others to basically answer you the questions answer, or you participating any discussion of the practice question when others are putting the questions to ask for the answers. This is a very wrong approach. I was confused when I did this thing 2 years ago with the CAMS exam. I couldn't find anyone to help me out with the CAMS examination preparation, and I had to go through the anxiety level. I was very nervous before taking the examination questions. My confidence was very low, because I was never sure which was the right answer. There were some people who were saying that this is the right answer, and my mind was saying no, this is the right answer. And when I did the examination, actual examination, in every tricky question, I did not had the confidence basically. Thanks God, I passed the exam in the first attempt, but I do not want you all, any of you who paid me to prepare to go through this. That's why I specifically, for when I started this thing, I specifically told all of those people in the first who were opted for my services, to please do not go through this situation that I made the mistake. You do not want to be part made the similar mistake. We have enough questions, the mock question that I drafted to help you out to prepare. And I have, if you are confused about some questions and how tricky they are, you're not able to understand the question, we have the last session, you can select some questions to discuss with me. You do not need to go through any website or anything to be part of it. This is going to not help you, it's going to make your preparation even worse. And I had the session like half an hour ago with this person, and she was hopefully trying to book the exam. I just said her to not to book the examination. Your confidence is low, you are too nervous, or you're very confused right now in discussing. When I discuss 20 or basically question that she selected for to discussion purposes. Now what she's going to be doing, she is taking a break for a month, then she's going to be watching all the 42 or 44 hours of the training session that we conducted a month later, and she's gonna make notes because she was not remembering for the thing that however we discussed in those training sessions. And she will do the mock questions again, to not to be confused. You do not want to be in this position like her. She have to delay her examination for a month and a half now, 6 weeks later. And if you have some sort of pressure from work, or some you have given yourself a target to write the exam, you do not want to be rescheduling or replanning your exam after the last session with me, because I'm going to give you the same advice if I find out that you are confused. And you will be confused when you're going to go through these websites, or you're going to go through any WhatsApp groups and try to discuss the answers from them. They are, we don't know who they are, who are answering your questions. They are, do they have the right knowledge or not, or the things that they are basically coaching, was it the right one or not, is are not going to help you, rather it's going to confuse you more. You have paid someone over the internet to help you prepare for the exam, and this person is advising you to please do not do this. It means that you should listen to this person whom you have paid, rather than someone you are getting the free advice. So if I find out through this person there are others of you who are doing the same mistakes from your group or in the previous group, please do not do any of that thing. Any of such things not going to help you. We have enough questions to help you prepare for the examination. They are more than enough. Just prepare, do the 5 checklists that I provided you, complete those, take the mock questions from me, and practice your examination, rather than wasting your time and delaying your examination like this person will be doing. uh, you know and this is not ideal. So please listen to the advice, and hopefully this way, I just wanted to make a video, because if I had to make a long text and send it to each one of your groups on WhatsApp, it's gonna, no one have the time to do this. So hopefully this 5 or 6 minutes of video will help you convince to not to go through any Reddit or WhatsApp group or any websites to find out any questions and read the discussion. It's gonna confuse you more. Okay, so these questions are enough. You have the last session with me to discuss these questions, and I'm more than willing to provide you how to any sort of that you find the question to be tricky. I'm going to have it resolve your any confusion or any misunderstanding that you have about any tricky questions of the examination, or any tricky question that the mock questions that I drafted, that I have about any misunderstanding. So please listen to me. It's going to help you out, not going to waste your time. We're trying to prepare as efficiently as possible. Remember, you do not have the time to spend on anything extra. So have a good day. Take care.